Good morning. Today we're cooking maple flavored pork sausage links. We just have the Kroger brand and quick and easy way to do it and without the casings. My granddaughter Savannah doesn't like the casings on them. So what we do, we take the frozen links, we boil them in a little bit of water. I have half a pack in there, which is 2, 4, 6, 7 links. And we boil them for 15 minutes. That's not boil. Put the timer on for 15 minutes. And we boil them. After 15 minutes, we'll drain them.
Hi guys, and I'm Papa's granddaughter, and I don't know if you've heard, but he's making the sausage, and the sausage that we like to make is like this, it's just sausage. But there's like this peel and wrap thing that I don't like, but every time I come over here, there's never, any peel around it, and that just makes it so good because now I don't have all that peel stuff on my plate, and my hand does no thing inside my fingernails. It's just really good, so you should watch it. It's good.
Okay, sausage has been cooking for 15 minutes, boiling, slow simmer. The boil. We're going to move them over to the sink and cool them down. Run a little cold water in them. Cool off that sausage. Actually, at this time, your sausage is fully cooked. Okay, the sausage now cool down. Drain the water off. And all you do is grab the end and peel that casing off. They slide right off. Quick and easy, taking the casing off. Now Gracie, there's the old casing. Gracie loves to eat them just like that. Gracie's our little Yorkie, and she loves her cooked sausage without the casing. Now we move back over to the stove. Put the heat on medium heat. I use virgin olive oil. Pour a little bit, about 1/4 of an inch in the bottom. That's all you need in there. Take your sausage that's already been decased. Let that oil heat up, warm up a little bit, and lay them in there. I save a couple for Gracie because she loves them. It's after a minute or so, you'll roll them and get all sides as dark as you like, and then go on from there. See, they cook up pretty fast. You can use a fork or tongs to turn them so all sides get done. Savannah doesn't like hers real dark. Okay, Sausage are pretty well done, the way Savannah likes them. So now we turn the stove off and grab some tongs and pull them out. Set them on a paper towel. Get the excess grease off them, oil. Quick and easy. Skinless breakfast sausage. Enjoy.